Okay, time for my favourite. I'm a parrot. Now, if you are playing our parrot, remember that you aren't doing any of the dancing in the verses when you're singing on your own, but you can join in with the chorus if you want to. Everybody else, make sure we're really quiet while the parrot sings their solo, and then we join in and we sing the chorus with our big, loud, strong voices. Okay, let's do it. Everybody who's in this, Pirates and Mermaids, we do exactly the same. Here we go. Arms up at the end. Fantastic, I love that one.